Okay, so now let's learn about some few key concepts in Kubernetes. So those are like pods, nodes, and cluster. Let's learn about them one by one. So a cluster is a group of machines working together. So there can be many machines on which your containers run. So group of machines working together. Now this group can be, so these machines can be physical, they can be virtual machines as well, and they can be, cloud instances as well. So this can be any group of machines. Okay, so the responsibility of the cluster is to provide high availability and scalability. Okay, now we have a node. So a node is a machine inside a cluster. Okay, it is responsible for running a container, compute resources, and it is also responsible for communicating with the control panel. Okay, so this is the responsibility of the node. If one node fails, the workload moves to another node. The workload moves to another node. Okay, now the most important concept is a pod. A pod is a smallest deployable unit in Kubernetes. Okay, it wraps one or more containers, but generally we wrap only one container in one pod. Generally only one. We can wrap more than one, but generally it is a practice of wrapping only one container in a pod. Okay, so a pod contains the container runtime along with the container so that the container can run. Okay, so why don't we deploy our container directly? Why do we even need a pod? The reason is because containers read some things extra apart from the container, which is storage and managing the container lifecycle. So that is why a container is wrapped around a pod. Okay, so you can say kind of an instruction set of the orchestrator is wrapped around the container. This is how you have to behave. So the pods share IP address, storage, volumes, and localhost communications. So because of these additional functionalities that a pod require, we deploy our pods, we don't deploy our containers independently. So in a way we can say a pod is unit of deployment. Okay, so in the next video we will learn how to set up a Kubernetes cluster.